Hello guys, so I will continue to um, with the topic of representing decimals in different formats. In this video, I'll attempt to represent the decimal in expanded form and fractional form. So here you can see we have this table which is ranging from 1000 to 1000th, and we'll take a number, for example. um, Let me explain that tenths here is 1 upon 10. Hundredths is 1 upon 100. And thousandths is 1 upon 1,000. That's a fractional representation. The same tenths can be um, represented in a decimal notation as zero point 0.1. The hundredths could be 0.01. And the thousandths could be 0.001. So we have the two formats here. So if you're given a number, right, in this case, if you're asked to represent this number, let's say 2,340, 2,000, I mean 2,340, right? Point 1 5 6. You're given this number and you're asked to show it in the two formats, fractional and decimal. Now we can just take this number here, 2340.156, and place it in this table here. So in the thousandth column, we're going to put 2, hundreds is 3, and tens we got 40, so 4 tens, and in zeros column, in ones column, we have 0.156. All right, so to represent this number now in fractional, and let's take fractional first. We're gonna get in this case 2 340, because this is like a whole number, so this is a whole number component, all right, plus the fractional part now. That's 1 times 1 upon 10, so 1 times 1 upon 10 plus 5 times 1 upon 100 plus 6 times 1 upon 1,000. So this is going to be like 2340 plus 1 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1,000. And this is going to be the fractional version of it. All right. So in this case here, this is your whole number part, and these are the expanded fractions. So you see that 1 is 1 upon 10, 5 is 5 upon 100, it's in the hundredth column, and 6 is in the thousandth column, so it's 6 upon 1,000, right? Now let us try to represent this in decimal expanded format. So 2340, so I can keep the number in the table. We just need to show how we get it in the decimal expanded format now. So if you can draw this table here, I think maybe 90% of your job is finished, right? If you can just do this part. Okay, so in the decimal format here, what we have? We have 2 times 1,000 plus 3 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 0 times 1 plus 1 times 0.1 plus 5 times 0.01 plus 6 times 0.001. Alright, so this here is the same as 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.05 plus 0.006. Alright, so this here will give you the decimal equivalent. Of course, you can take this now and place it in a calculator and get the number back, right? So look at the table carefully. You simply can start from the decimal point. Going to the right, you go 10, 100, 1,000, and to the left, it starts at 1, then 10, 100, 1,000. But on the right, it tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So it's 1 upon, right? And look at the decimal part here. For tenths, it's 0.1. You shift 1 decimal place. For hundredths, you shift 2 decimal places. For thousandths, you shift 3 decimal places. Now here you're simply multiplying, right? 6 by 0.001 is like you just get 0.006. Maybe you don't need to reduce it to this formula that I have here, but at least you can understand here. So 2, you just multiply by the factor here, 1,000 by 1,000. If this was 3, you put 3 times 1,000. If it's 9, you put 9 times 1,000. So similarly here, whatever is this number, you multiply by 100. You multiply this number by 10. This, whatever is this number, by 1, but 0 by 1 here is 0. Decimal point is there, so it's like a plus. Just keep adding the fractions. 1 times 0.1, 5 times 0.05, 6 times 0.001. So we completed in the first video going from decimal to the word format. And here you're seeing going from decimal to the decimal expanded form and fractional expanded form. Alright? So I hope you get the concept, or get the point over here. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Alright? Have a good night. Bye.